What is social proof in real estate? It can be your number of solds or even your number of current listings. Find your best numbers and display them with pride. How many homeowners have listed with you? How many homes have you sold? How much volume have you moved? Use any of these numbers. Allow the numbers to speak for themselves. They are number representations that show that you're a winner. It shows other clients you're trusting you. You are programming the public to think they could trust you too because others are trusting you. It's like saying your neighbors trust me, so you should trust me. In the beginning, when you don't have your own numbers, you can still hack your game to show social proof. When you don't have personal numbers to back you up, leverage your brokerage's listing numbers and its solds. Print their sales and their listings with your name attached to the material page. People will make the leap and connect you to that trust. When you're handing out materials, you can use this great line. Did you know I sold this many homes in your neighborhood? Or you could say, did you know my office sold this many homes in your neighborhood? Herd thinking is why people copy what others are doing, and it's the foundation of social proof and why it's so powerful. Understanding herd mentality helps you play the real estate game. You can really use it to your advantage. In the basic prep guide from earlier in this module, there are some suggestions on how and where to use social proof.